What's happening, guys? Today I want to see if I can figure out what is going on with my power door locks on this 85 C30. When I got it, the dome light didn't work. I found a blowed fuse that's caused by that cigarette lighter that rounded out, and so I fixed that. And now, well, the dome light didn't work, and I didn't have no power locks. I still ain't got no power locks. So what I'm gonna do? Look at that. Damn thing went down, just won't go up. Oh damn! May just be a bad switch. Go up, just won't go. They go down, won't go up. And it did happen on this one too. So hard to climb over this mess. Well, this switch won't work neither way. So that switch won't work either way, but this switch will lock it. It just won't unlock it. So that's going to preclude having a blowed fuse. So to access that switch, I've got to pull out pretty much everything to get this door panel off. You have to remove these poppies loose and unscrew this pull handle. And I'm already missing a screw here. Got one. Undo this door pad. There's 4 screws down here, and there's probably a couple of clips on the side. There's another screw right here. So I'll get this door panel off and we'll take a look at this switch, see what it's doing. Alright, so after a whole lot of prizing and cussing, I finally got this thing loose. And I got the switch undone from the connector here. And now what I need to do is, see this hole right here? That's going to line up with this big pin. So it's really hard to get it backwards. You can't put it on no other way. Well, right now I need to figure out if this switch is any good. So we'll take it over here on the bench and do a little resistance testing on it. Alright, so without a diagram, it's hard to tell which one's going to be what. So first thing I'm going to do is set our meter to resistance. We'll always, let's see if you can tell, and really, I always test my meter, make sure that it's working by just touching the prongs. Alright, so I may have to zoom out a little bit. You can see that. Oh, it's hot over here without any air blowing, I tell you. Extremely. Alright, so our first test is going to be in the lock position, down. I'm thinking it's bug crawling on me. I'm thinking it's going to be this pin and this pin. Well, let's see. Yeah. So we know that's making up a circuit from here to here. So in the up or the unlock position, it should make a circuit from here to here, and it's not. It's not making us. So I'm thinking I got a bad switch. And somewhere I think I've got another switch, but I'll have to find it. I believe that's going to be the issue, a bad switch. So I guess I'll go look for another switch and we'll continue on when I find it. Alright, so I had another set of door panels out the shop. These come out of them, and of course they're not in the best of shapes. Let's see if there's any difference. Don't look like there's no difference in this one. I don't believe there's no difference in that one. So I believe they're all the same as far as this part looks. So now we'll just check these. I know that's a bad one. And we'll go lock. Should go from, well, this thing's hard to do one-handed. From here to here. See if I can get on there a little better. I don't believe the lock works on this one. Let's see if the unlock works. Yeah, it's hard to hold this thing. I don't believe that one works at all. Alright, let's try this one. Lock. Nope. Yep. Yep. I think that's working. Unlock. Yep. Alright. So this one appears to be working halfway decent, so we'll try it and go from there. Alright, so I got it plugged back up, and right now it's unlocked, but now it's locked. Now I'll unlock it. Lock, unlock. I believe that'll work. All I need to do really is get two new switches. I think that's going to be the issue with this switch right here too. And I'm hoping I can, well, I got to do some work on this window motor over here on that side. It's real slow. So when I get ready to take that door panel off, I'll go ahead and fix that. And I think what I'm going to do, well, I got this door panel off on this one, is I'm going to spray some silicone spray. I'm going to roll the window up and spray some silicone spray on these felts. I might go ahead and spray this one before I roll it up. These felts get dried out and things get to sticking. So, yeah. Then we'll put it back in, and like I said, probably what I'll do is I won't stick it all the way in. I'll leave it out enough where I can change it out when I get some more switches in. Because I don't like the looks of the switch. It's pretty ugly. And when I took my door panel off, I messed up one of these. Little hickeys. I broke it. It's supposed to look like that, not like that. So I just happen to have two brand new GM parts that I've had for years. I bought off eBay years ago, and what it is two brand new GM pieces. That's what it's supposed to look like. So I'll put these two new shiny pieces on here. Well, I got things shine. And make it look a little better. I wished I had some paint these door panels, repaint them, refinish them, but I ain't gonna worry about it right now. So anyway, guys, I'll get it back together. We'll retest it, see what it looks like. Alright guys, final assembly. Got my new little plates on here. I need a new one of these. The things broke off. They're supposed to be 2 pins on each end. They broke. And I couldn't ever get this screw to line up right here. I don't know what's going on with that, but there's another screw that goes up in the bottom or something. This thing wouldn't come off. And anyway, you don't really need to be, unless you don't have a grab handle, you don't really need to be pulling on this too much no way. But anyway, I didn't put this switch all the way in. I was trying to just get it part way in where it stays. You can tell that switch is pretty ugly. I found some decent window switches, but I don't really think I need none, so I guess I'll keep them for a spare. So I guess final check. I really don't even need the key on. This thing stays hot all the time. Lock. Unlock. Yep. I believe she's working. And I'm pretty sure it's just a bad switch on that one. So I'll replace both these switches, and when I get this door panel off on this one, I'm going to be changing the window motor out on it. I'll show you its thing. I did put some silicone spray on this one. You can tell this is a little bit weak. But this one, it's real weak. So I'll be changing it out. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more on this old truck.